On your mark, get set.
You're hilarious.
You finally figured that out.
Oh, you did it. We got medals. What was our time?
7 hours and 15 minutes.
We got medals. But I wouldn't have if it weren't for you.
That's right. Keep going.
Thank you.
Keep going.
That's all I got.
Okay. I just wanted to see how deep that well went.
Church. Do they sell memberships here? Or maybe a frequent rager card?
Really? You want to come back?
Tomorrow.
Amber? What's wrong?
It's Jonah.
Did he do something?
No, that's the point.
Right. Yeah, I've been there.
Why do I always have to be the one to text or call? We've been through a lot. I thought he was really feeling something. Because I was. But I'm still getting the same 6 emojis.
Amber, maybe that's all he's capable of.
Maybe he just really doesn't like me.
If you're this unhappy, why don't you break up with him?
I can't.
Why not?
Because I think I'm in love with him.
Next on Andi Mack.
So have you two made up?
We haven't made up.
Go talk to her.
I just want this to be over. It is over. What's this?
It's from your mom.
Do you know what they do at Mint Chip with the clothes they can't sell?
It says here that Mint Chip burned $35 million worth of clothes last year. There is one way to settle this.
Welcome to our sidewalk sale, where nothing is for sale. It's all free. Let's all stay calm. We didn't do anything.
Unless we did.